The eyes are typically the most striking feature of the face. Nearly every woman desires to hear compliments about her beautiful eyes. Many women go to great lengths to enhance their eyes, whether by wearing contact lenses to alter eye color or using makeup to elevate their look. Naturally beautiful eyes are highly desired by many, but not everyone can attain them easily. We are here to assist you in this quest. We have compiled a set of tips and tricks to help you achieve naturally beautiful eyes without relying on makeup or any eye accessories. Let's begin by investigating the reason behind dull eyes. UV rays can induce pigmentation, resulting in darkening around the eyes. Dark circles may also emerge due to insufficient sleep, potentially leading to an increase in fine lines and wrinkles. Furthermore, skin dryness caused by a lack of moisture can contribute to the development of lines and wrinkle. Let's begin with tips on achieving naturally beautiful eyes without relying on makeup. Tip number 1. Get enough sleep. Tip number 2. Use moisturizer under your eyes. Tip number 3. Try an eye mask. Use cucumber slices. Tip number 4. Maintain your eyebrows. Tip number 5. Use an eyelash curler. Tip number 6. Keep time at the computer to a minimum. Tip number 7. Use humidifier. Tip number 8. Use eye wash or natural eye drops. Tip number 9. Stay hydrated. Tip number 10. Use sunscreen. Tip number 11. Wear sunglasses. Tip number 12. Eat fresh fruits. Now that you're aware of affordable eye care tips, you can attain that desired look. When you can't take a break, these fast solutions for radiant eyes will keep you looking rejuvenated. Thanks for tuning into my video. If you fancy more of the same, hit that subscribe button and join the fun on my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye and take care.